everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple accessory, and this is the flower earring. And for this project you will be needing your crochet thread, your 2.5mm crochet hook, or you can use a smaller one. We have our yarn needle and we have our scissor. But for this demonstration I'm going to use my 3mm crochet hook and a larger yarn for a more clearer visual, because if I'm going to use the crochet thread it will be very small. Okay, let's get started. So to start off, we need to make a magic circle. Yarn over and make a chain of 1. Then chain 2. Make 1 double crochet in the magic ring. Make another double crochet on the magic ring and another double crochet for a total of 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch on our magic ring. So this will form as our first petal, and we're going to repeat this one 3 more times. So chain 2 and then 3 double crochets in our magic circle. So that's the first one, second one, and the third double crochet. Chain 2 again and slip stitch. So 2 more times, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and slip stitch. Chain 2 again. This will be our last petal. Make your 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and slip stitch. So now we are ready to close our ring. And we are ready to fasten off and cut our yarn. So you need to make 2 of this. Just take your hook, insert your needle along with your thread, and now you can weave your end, locking in your hook, but don't pull it so tight. We need a little space. It should be free to move. Then continue weaving our tail. So that we are sure that it will not be entangled later on. Cut that yarn. This is the end from our magic circle, and we're ready to weave that end as well. And now we can cut, and we're going to do the same thing on our other flower. You can do these earrings in a matter of less than 1 minute maybe per earring. So easy. And you can match on your outfit for the day. You can have one of each color. You can wear one color depending on your mood for the day. And I have made several already, because as I've said, you can make this in a very short period of time. You can either sell these earrings, or you can just use it or give it to your friends or loved ones or sisters or even your daughter. Just make sure you use the hypoallergenic hooks if your loved ones or your kids' allergy on those hooks. So I hope you enjoyed our tutorial for today. Happy crocheting everyone, and hope to see you on my next video. Thank you and God bless.